Cracking sounds are very common, especially in young people. Most of the cracking sounds are due to ligamentous mobility. When ligaments or muscles are moving over the bones, cracking sounds will happen. We should worry when cracking sounds are painful. If they are associated with the pain, then you must see a doctor. Otherwise, you can ignore them. Most of the time, they disappear with the time.